Good morning, second graders. It's Mr. Menko. Today we are going to continue skip counting by 10. Yesterday I know you watched a video to get your brains going with skip counting by 10. So today we're going to do a math routine together. All right? Let's look at our hundreds chart. That will help us skip count by tens. Okay, when we skip count by tens and we start at 10, we just have to add a 10, right? So here's my 10. If I want to skip count by 10, I'm just going to add a 10. 10 plus 10 equals what? 10 plus 10. 20, good. So if I skip count by 10, I'm just adding a 10 to the next number. So right now I have 10, 20. What's 20 plus 10? 30. 30 plus 10? 40. 40 plus 10? 50. 50 plus 10? 60. Good. 60 plus 10? 70. 70 plus 10? 80. 80 plus 10? 90. 90 plus 10? 100. All right, let's do that together. Skip counting by 10 from 10. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Again, together, starting at 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. Now I want you to skip count by tens, starting from 10 on your own. I'll start you off. Ready? Go. 10. Once you get to 100, put a thumbs up. Good, let's do it one more time together though. Starting at 10, all right, ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. I have a question for you. What if I wanted to continue skip counting by tens from 100? So I have 100 plus 10 equals. I want you to think about it as Mr. Menko sets up our vertical addition. Here's my ones, tens, hundreds. Let's see. If I do, look at my ones column. 0 plus 0 is 0. Good. Tens column. 0 plus 1. I have 0, and I add 1, I get, good, 1. I have a hundreds place value, right? 1 plus nothing, right? There's always an imaginary 0. 1 plus 0 is, shout it out, 1. Good. So 100 plus 10 gives me, good, 110. Okay. I want to see what will come next, but let me add that to a chart. So here I have 100, and then I have 110. So I have my ones, my tens, and then my hundreds, right? So if I'm adding a 10 from 100, I get to 110. If I have 110 and I want to find the next number, let's add 10 to 110. Will you try and figure it out as Mr. Menko sets up our equation? Okay, so if I start at my ones, 0 plus 0 is, everyone, Good, 0. Go to my tens column. 1 plus 1, 1 plus another 1 is good, 2. Go to my hundreds. 1 plus nothing is good, 1. So 110 plus 10 gives me 120. Okay, let's add that to my table I made, my chart. Okay, so if I'm adding 10 to 100, here's 100, 110, 120. Here's my ones. Look at my ones place value. My ones place value are all what? I heard someone say it, zeros, right? So my next number is going to have a 0 at the end. Let's look at our tens place value. Go 0, 1, 2. I gotta figure out what would come after 2. Right? And then look at my hundreds place value. 1, 1, 1. Okay, we gotta try and figure out if we add 10 to 120, what would be our number? Let's try it. 120 plus 10. Think about it as Mr. Mango sets it up. All right. 0 plus 0 is 0. Good. Tens column. 2 plus 1 is good. 3. Go to my hundreds. 1 plus nothing is 1. So 120 plus 10 is 130. Let's go back to that chart we made. See if it fits. So in my ones, I know I have all zeros, right? My ones place value didn't change. But we got a 3 in the tens place value, correct? Let's go check. Yeah, look. Let's see if we could put that in here and see if there's a pattern. So let's look at our tens column. Go 0, 1, 2, 3. You guys see that pattern? Yeah, the number in my tens column is getting bigger. It's going up by 1. Very good. Now look at my hundreds. Right? Am I still working with only 100? Yeah, so in front of the 3, I'm going to put a 1. Very good. I want you guys to think, what number would come next? Without doing the addition. Mr. Mango doesn't want to do the addition. I want to see if you can do it yourself. We know my ones column is going to stay as a, shout it out, 0. You guys agree? Okay. Look at my tens column. Went from 0, 1, 2, 3. What's our next number? 4. You guys agree? Give me a thumbs up if you agree. Very good. What about our hundreds column? Stays the same. Put a 1. Does this look okay? Yeah, I agree. So right now, I want us to skip count by tens, starting at 10, all the way up to 140, okay? All together, we're gonna start together and count from 10 all the way to 140. Ready? Let's go. I wanna hear all of you. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. Very good. Let's do it again one more time, starting at 10 and ending at 140. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. Great job today. Tomorrow we will add 10 to a number that Mr. Manko will give you. See you tomorrow.